Ignore the false tan. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my super dark, grungy, smoky, sexy look that I came up with really quickly. So if you would like to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So for my brows, I've used the Illamasqua Brow Cake in the shade Gaze. Just this little one. And I've already primed my lids using the Makeup Studio number 2 concealer. Looks like this. So for a base, for the black shadow, just to really give it that really deep, dark base, we're going to go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua XL, if you can see that. And we're just going to buff this all over the lid before we apply our shadow. So I'm just taking this on the little Kira Daily brush. So this will at the beginning look extremely stupid, but trust the process guys, you're going to look like something out of Home Alone. So once we've done that, we're going to take the Urban Decay shadow in Blackout and we're going to set the paint using this shadow. And once you've done that, we're going to start to soften the edges of the black with a really, really dark brown. And the shade that we're using is Cinammon by Melkior. I hope I'm saying that right. We're going to go in with Cocoa Bar by Makeup Geek. We're taking that brown right up to the edge of the nose, slightly into the brow, just to give that full blown out effect. I'm going to go back in with the Cinammon from Melkior just to deepen the crease again because I feel like we've lost that darkness. The fun part, but the very dangerous part. We're going to apply some glue before we put down our glitter, and we're using the Ben Nye glitter glue. It's like this. If you have used this, you know what I'm about to say. If you have not, please beware of this product, guys. The first time I ever put it on my eye, I opened and I was like, oh dear God, I'm blind. Because I'm only seeing it of one eye right now, I can't show you the glitter that I'm using, so I'll do that after the glue has dried and it is safe for me to open my papers again. Also, I am applying the glitter on a fluffy brush. This is a Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques, just to give it a more dispersed effect over the eye. We're going to start by pushing this all over that glue. I don't really want to go with a fuller lash on this look because I want you to be able to see the glitter on the eye. So while they're drying, I'm just going to go in with a baby wipe. Take off all that excess glitter that has fallen all over my face. I'm just going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. You've probably seen this all over the internet, but I'm a latecomer, so I'm using this in the shade See-Through. And what I'm going to do is buff it all under the eye. I know some people like to use a beauty blender, but I prefer to use a brush. So now that I've got my lashes on, I'm going to go under my eye, and I'm using Inglot 77 gel liner in my waterline. I'm going to start with the darkest colour first, which obviously was black. Using that same Urban Decay shadow, Blackout. I'm just placing this as close to the lash line as possible. I just stuck my finger in the gel liner. And we're done with that. We just softened those edges with our Makeup Cake Cocoa Bear. So now that we've finished with our eyes, we're going to move on to the face. I've started by prepping my skin with the FLV2 by Makeup Atelier, and I'm going to use the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation in the shade 5.5. I'm taking that on my favourite foundation brush ever, which is the Peaches and Cream PC04 brush. What are you doing? I'm just going to start by pushing that into the skin. Now that we have the foundation on and set, we're going to go in with the Illamasqua Gel Sculpt in the shade Silhouette to contour. Now, I haven't used this before, slightly just on the back of my hand, so it's like a don't judge me if I get it wrong kind of thing. Oh god, I look like an absolute head kiss. Let's begin. Oh, that didn't turn out so bad. Oh god, maybe this part will. Oh god, oh god, oh god, blend, blend, blend. Oh, okay. Let me see that up close. That's actually really nice. I'm just going to set that with some of the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Bam. Going in with the Dull Light Shine Bright highlighter. So we're going in but with the MAC bronzer in Medium Deep on a huge ass Inglot fluffy brush. So for blush, I'm going to use the Luminoso by Milani. So next we're going to go in with lips. I'm going to start off by using the MAC Cork liner. So now I'm going in with the Kiko 3D Hydro Gloss in the shade 18. It's this beautiful bronzed goddess of a lip gloss. And then we're going to spritz ourselves with the new MAC Fix Plus Goldlite. To be honest, I have tried this out. I'm not overly impressed. Sorry if you hate me for that, but we're going to use it anyway. So this is the finished look for you guys. Super smoky, dark, sexy, but also super easy. I will leave a full list of products in the description box below. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.